Welcome to this video on the silent killer of transformers. We will cover how to detect and prevent insulation failure using the Megger test. We begin with part 1, the threat. We'll explore why insulation is the most critical component for a transformer's longevity. Insulation failure is a gradual process. It degrades silently through thermal aging from continuous overload, moisture ingress weakening dielectric strength, and oxidation causing sludge buildup and corrosion. So what is a Megger test? An insulation resistance, or IR, test measures the integrity of insulating materials by applying high DC voltage and measuring the leakage current. Megger is a brand name synonymous with insulation testers, measuring resistance in megohms. The science of IR testing is based on Ohm's law. When high DC voltage is applied, a small leakage current flows through the insulation. A healthy insulator has high resistance, meaning very low current flow. The currents measured are capacitive charging, dielectric absorption, and surface leakage current. In part 2, the procedure, we provide a step-by-step guide to executing a professional IR test. Safety and preparation are essential. First, completely de-energize and disconnect the transformer and all bushings for isolation. Second, discharge the windings to ground for grounding. Third, record oil and ambient temperatures, as IR values are sensitive to heat. Executing the test involves 4 steps. Connect the leads, HV to ground, LV to ground, and HV to LV. Inject DC voltage based on winding rating. Wait 60 seconds for stabilization for a standard reading, or 10 minutes for polarization index. Finally, record the steady-state resistance in megohms or gigohms. Interpreting minimum values requires checking NETA/IEEE guidelines at 20 degrees Celsius. Minimum test voltage and minimum IR value vary based on the transformer's voltage rating, ranging from 0 to 35,000 plus volts. The polarization index, or PI, is the ratio of IR at 10 minutes versus 1 minute. API below 1.0 indicates an immediate failure risk. 1.1 to 1.5 is questionable due to potential moisture, and above 2.0 indicates excellent condition. The temperature correction rule is critical. Resistance changes exponentially with temperature. For every 10 degrees Celsius rise, insulation resistance drops by 50%. Always correct field readings back to a 20 degrees Celsius baseline for meaningful comparison against historical data.